In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF from Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of your Notion page that's perfect for emailing, archiving, or printing without needing any extra tools. Start by opening the Notion page you want to export. Make sure it's the exact page you intend to share with the content laid out the way you like. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. Click those three dots to open the page options. This menu is where Notion keeps actions related to the page, including sharing, formatting, and importantly for us, exporting. From that menu, click Export. This opens Notion's export panel. Here, you'll tell Notion what kind of file you want and how to package it. You'll see a field labeled Export Format. Click it to reveal the available file types. Choose PDF if you want a fixed layout document that preserves your headings, images, and overall structure in a format most people can open without Notion. Once PDF is selected, take a quick moment to glance over any other visible options Notion presents. Depending on your setup, you might see simple defaults. If you're unsure, the default settings typically work well for most pages. When you're ready, click Export. Notion will prepare the file, and you'll either be prompted to choose a save location or the PDF will download to your default Downloads folder. The process usually takes just a few seconds, but larger pages with lots of images or databases may need a little longer. After the download finishes, open the PDF to review it. Check that headings look correct, images are clear, and any tables or databases fit comfortably on the page. If something looks off, maybe text is wrapping oddly or a table is too wide, return to the Notion page, adjust the layout or spacing, and export again. Small tweaks like narrowing columns or simplifying a view can make a big difference in the final PDF. A couple of practical tips as you wrap up. Give the PDF a clear file name so it's easy to find later, store it in your preferred folder, and if you're sharing it, confirm the file size meets any email or upload limits. That's all there is to it. Open the page, use the three-dot menu, choose Export, set the export format to PDF, and click Export. You now have a polished PDF straight from Notion, ready to share anywhere.